I know where we can go. I know where we can go. And it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost.
Today I want to show you how you can start making money online as a freelancer even if you have no skills and zero knowledge. I will show you 5 services, 5 gigs you can publish today on Fiverr and start making money online even if you don't know anything. So let's start with number 1. But before, don't forget, subscribe now to my channel, turn on notifications to get every new update almost every day. So number 1 is providing a service to remove image backgrounds. Now you may tell me, hey, I don't know Photoshop, I don't know how to work with images and editing and so on. Don't worry, I will show you now in 1 minute how we can remove the background of any image in 1 click. But before, let's go to Fiverr and see here that we have a lot of gigs that provides this service, remove background image. You can see these gigs. I will do photo background removal and so on. So how we can remove an image background? Simply just go to canva.com, this awesome website for image editing and creating photos and thumbnails and ebooks and so on. And now just click on create a design and click now anything, just open an empty design for now, just to show you how things work. I will go now to uploads. I will show you now in action how this works. Let's see, I will get an image, let's say this one,
and awesome, you can see the background was removed. Then you can simply download the image, and here we are, we remove the background. Number 2, providing in-depth SEO report for any website. Okay, what is SEO or an SEO report? If you go here to Fiverr and search for SEO as an example, you will find a lot of people offering SEO services and some offering just an SEO report, in-depth report about a website to show them what's wrong in their websites and help them rank on search engines. So just in 3 seconds, what is SEO? It stands for search engine optimization, and it's a technique to optimize your website so you can rank on Google or any search engine and get free organic traffic from search engines. So how you can provide in-depth SEO report of any website if you have no knowledge? Simply use this service. Go to seoanalyzer.hdk.com. By the way, this is my service. I talked about it in one of my videos you can review in the description below. So here you enter any website and click on review. So you publish this service, this gig on Fiverr, and when someone asks you for this report, you just get his website, ask him about his website, and you enter it here. Let's do an example. Enter any website now, codecanyon.com, anything, and click on review, and the analyzer now will run and do everything for you. You don't need to worry about anything. You just wait like for 1 minute, and the application will analyze the website and give you in-depth, detailed report. I will drink some water. Here I am again. Okay, 92%, 96% complete, 98%, 100%. Very nice. Now you can see here we have in-depth detailed report about everything and tells what's wrong in the website, so that person can get help in optimizing his website for SEO and ranking his website. So now just click on download report. You don't need to register, enter any emails or so on. Just click download report. And here we are, this is the PDF. You can see here a full detailed report. It's about 27 pages report. You can just send him this report and provide this service. You can download here if you want and have this PDF file and send it to the customer or the user who requested this service. Number 3, designing HTML5 advertisements. What? Simply, if you go now to my website as an example, let's go to my blog here and open edgesupertools.com. By the way, EdgeSuperTools is a free platform that contains 100% free SEO and digital marketing tools. Go and check it right now if you haven't before. Anyway, let's open any tool now, YouTube keyword tool. And here you can find these ads. You can see this one, this one, this one. All these are HTML5 ads. So maybe someone will ask you to design an ad for him to publish on his website, or he want to create a Google ad campaign or whatever, and he want a design. Now you tell me, I'm not a designer, how can I design such ads and I don't have any experience before in graphic design or ad design or HTML5? So simple. Before I go, I just want to show you another example. You can see here, there's another ad here on my blog. So simply you go to a website called bannersnack.com. An awesome website to create banners and ads with a drag and drop editor and a huge library of templates. I will log in now to my account. It allows you to create Google ads, Facebook ads, native ads, a lot of kinds. You will see now, click on I will log in, and here we are. This is my library. I will now create a new design, make a design here, and you can see a lot of sizes, templates you can start from for Instagram, for YouTube, for Snapchat, for Twitch, for a lot of applications and services. Let's now select anything like this one here, medium rectangle, and you'll get this empty template. And now you can go here to templates. We have animated and static templates. You can simply select any of these templates in this library. We have a lot of templates. You can see here, select the category, let's say, as an example, e-commerce, and select any of these, let's say this one here. So this is the ad here, you can see it, and you can just edit this, change the title, change the buttons, and change the colors, and so on. You can go to animated and select like this one as an example. You can see this animated ad, start from this, and you will have this ad. You just need to edit it, just maybe change the logo, maybe edit this text, and so on. And then you can download as HTML5 ad, or you can publish directly. If you go here back to my workspace, you will see my ads here. Let's say this one here, click on view. So this is the ad. You can simply give him the embed code so he can directly embed on his website. You can see it here. You can give responsive scale, just copy this code and give it to the user who is requesting this service, and he can publish directly on his website without worrying about speed or downloading, uploading, and so on. You can give him the code directly, or if you want, you can just export this template here as JPEG, PNG, HTML, MP4, whatever you want, and give it to the user. So this is service number 3, providing and designing HTML5 ads with no experience. Number 5 is commenting on blogs. Anyone now can open a blog post and comment on a blog. If you go here to Fiverr and let's search for blog comments or whatever, you will find a lot of people will tell you, I will give you high quality backlinks using blog comments. I will comment on whatever blogs about these niches and so on. So simply, you can provide this service on Fiverr by commenting on others' blog.